What are you doing?
So about a year ago, I posted a YouTube video on my 2007 Chevrolet Silverado. It's the Duramax, it's the lifted truck that you guys usually see on my channel. And I had this wild idea to make a YouTube video on installing a set of homemade running boards. But one thing that I absolutely love about those steps is the fact that once they retract, once they open up, a big long LED lighting strip illuminates the ground. Now, unfortunately, once the steps are up, they turn off and that's kind of it. But here we are a year later, and I always thought it would be a neat idea to install a set of light strips going down the sides of my running boards. And I gotta say, it was actually pretty cool. About 3 months ago, a buddy of mine, Aaron, he actually works for Boost Auto Parts, contacted me. He was up in Michigan, he was in the area. Believe it or not, this guy has the same exact truck that I have. He pulled up in the parking lot, and I was pretty starstruck with this thing because it has a set of prototyped M1 Luma steps, is what they call it, from Boost Auto Parts. And these things stay on all the time while you're driving. And not to mention, they're sequential, so when you turn the blinkers on, the whole side of the vehicle, everyone knows that you're turning. They look really cool, they're really sharp. And after seeing them in person and the fact that they're now released to the public, this is gonna be an absolute home run for me. I'm super excited to see these things installed on my truck. So in today's video, that's what I'm gonna do, but to kind of add a little bit more to the video, we're gonna go ahead and install a set of cab lights as well. We're gonna show you guys sort of the install process. I think it's gonna be worth your time to watch all the way till the end and see how all of this plays out. Amongst all the truck builds and the performance installs that I do on this channel, it's really cool to be able to incorporate some lighting. But speaking about performance parts, if you own a Duramax, Power Stroke, or Cummins, check out the website truckmasterdiesel.com. We offer a wide range of vehicle parts such as diesel lift pumps, RDS turbos, custom powder coated HSP products, as well as banks, traction bars, suspension pieces, lift kits, CP3 conversions, rims, the list goes on. And before we get this awesome video started, I'm excited to announce that we are running a turbo diesel giveaway as well, or a $1,000 gift card on the website. And this is kind of a big deal because if you win this turbo, you're gonna be able to get turbo of choice. So you're able to pick sizings. You can go 9 blade, 10 blade, you can do a 68 millimeter. And with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and do this awesome collaboration with Boost Auto Parts. And let's see the transition of this Duramax Denali before and after. Let's get started. We got a busy day ahead of us, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. But we have a truckload of parts, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to install this stuff. I'm so excited. We're gonna show you guys big unboxing video today. Ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so we're back in the garage. As you guys can see, we just pulled the Denali in here. We have a camera guy here. What's going on?
What's going on, guys?
Damien, right?
Yep, sir. Yes, sir.
Damien from Boost Auto Parts. And of course, you all know Aaron. You've been on the channel multiple times, right? Yeah. Remember Daytona when I got kicked out and the loss?
Yeah, no train horns, right?
No train horns. I almost got in trouble and lawyers. Anyways, all right, so this is what we have going on today, guys. We have a truckload of parts from Boost Auto Parts. You guys have heard of them multiple times on my channel. I know you guys have seen pretty much every single one of my rides have Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors on them, with the exception of the Denali. So we're going to go ahead and get into that. The subject of this video today is the lighted running boards. What are they called?
Luma Step M1. They are better, sleeker running boards with T1 aerospace grade aluminum, and guess what? They have lights in them too.
Did you say T1 Aerospace?
It's yeah, so it's aerospace. I don't remember the exact rating. It's aerospace grade aluminum, so the same stuff they use in all this fancy spaceships. Basically, it's not going to corrode like your factory steps.
Yeah, okay, yeah, so that's the other deal, guys. Check it out. This is a 2018 GMC Denali 2500 HD Duramax. What is that?
Yeah, look.
What is that?
Stuff just peels right off. Look at this. It's like chrome vinyl.
Yeah.
It's cheap. It just peels right off. It's like...
That is interesting. We got to replace these anyways. But I want to show you guys something really cool that they came out with. You want to show them the power steps?
Yeah. So it's got the sequential lights in the steps.
Look at that. That is
so
sweet.
Sequential signal. And then, Damien, do you want to flip the park light on? So it's got the power step. So it folds out. So it'll fold back in here.
That's slick.
Just like you'd have OE on a Denali Ultimate, except these are better with the lights in them. So you'll see we have park lights, that white light in it.
Yeah.
And yeah, they're so bright at night. It's a spaceship.
So yeah, it's kind of the same sort of idea, but they're fixed. They don't go down. That's basically it. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do on the Denali.
For that thing.
Yes, that is coming soon. They don't have it yet. However, we are kind of in the works of talking about possibly doing them on the 01 to 07s. Am I getting ahead of myself? Aaron, just tell me. Tell me. Okay, anyways, they need to do it. All right, the owner of this business, it's watching this video right now. You need to get them, because a lot of us cool kids have these cat eyes, and I'm telling you right now, they're gonna love them. They're beat up. This is Rust Belt country, y'all. I don't know if you could throw y'all in there though. I think y'all. Can you say y'all?
Yeah, you can.
In Michigan?
Yeah, I mean,
Illinois, Northern Illinois, y'alls.
we do y'all.
You do y'all?
Yeah,
okay, I don't think we count though. But anyways, these need to come off. And we're going to go ahead and unbox these. You ready to do this right now? Let's just not waste their time.
Yeah.
Let's open these and show you guys what these look like. I'm so pumped about them. Let's see how hard they are to install. Go ahead and get this thing on the hoist.
Dude, what? You're chopped up.
How? I never noticed that. Dude, these are brand new tires.
What are you doing with this thing, man?
My wife curbed it. That'll do it. We're going to go ahead and knock it all out on this side. Shouldn't take too long. Yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. You just slide the little bolts in there and then line them up with the holes. That's all we're doing. Pretty easy design. And then once we do that, I left everything loose for now. See? And then we're just gonna put it on there, leave everything loose and tighten everything up when we're done. So we have everything plugged in. I know I didn't film that process. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna link a install video if you guys really do care and you really wanna know how to install one of these things, these lights. I'll link the Boost Auto Parts install video in the description below. But with all of that being said, I'm trying to get through all this because it's a lot of stuff to do. But we're going to go ahead and really quickly just throw these on. These are the switchbacks, and I'm super pumped about those. They're really not that hard to install either, but they work, dude. They work. Check it out. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. You know what? Teaser. All right. Well, yeah. Let's just get this done first. I'm jumping the gun. I'm a squirrel. Let's throw these on, and then we're gonna back it out in the dark, and let's see what all this looks like. Dude, I'm sorry. I get excited about the little things in life. All right, let's get this going. So if you guys didn't know, you literally can just pop these mirrors right out.
Yeah, the uppers. People don't know this, but they actually slide on OEM mirrors. They slide up. Wow, you got lots of cobwebs back here.
I mean, that's dirty. I should probably take the compressed air behind that.
Yeah, okay. That bottom cap just gets caked with dirt. Look at this. What's for dinner, Josh?
That looks good.
Yeah.
Actually, I'd go on a limb here and say that most people's mirrors are probably like that.
They just don't know.
Well, I do live in the country, so I'm not always on dirt roads, so I don't know. That's pretty wild. Got it.
It's a dusty old light.
Yeah, foggy too. Here we go. It's gonna definitely clean things up.
Look at that. Yeah, that looks so much.
It's
better.
the little things, right?
Yeah. Oh, the little things. Yeah, just like peeling this plastic. We leave the plastic on for a reason. It's for your enjoyment.
Nice. It just changes everything. Looks really good. We don't need a mirror though. You can just leave it there as is.
Yeah. When you have all this power, you don't need to see behind you.
Who needs a mirror?
Yeah, you don't need to see behind you.
Overrated. This night's actually turning into a late night, so we're gonna do the cab lights in the morning. So we'll go ahead and flip to that scene. But yeah, you ready to do the honors? Sure. You already know what they look like, so it doesn't really matter. You don't have to watch it with me.
Yeah, I won't.
Oh my goodness, that looks sweet. No way. Wow. So, the blinkers. What? No. That is nuts. All right, we got to back this thing out. I told you it was worth it. That is cool. I don't care what anybody says. That is neat. Wow, they're super bright. What do you think?
That looks great.
It definitely cleans it up, doesn't
Just
it?
wait till the cab lights are gonna match them.
Oh, I can't wait. Yeah, I think they are. Oh, because the cab lights are going to be white too, right?
They'll be white, and they'll actually sequential signal, so it'll all match. It'll all tie together.
Voila. And then it exposes, what is it? 1, 2, 3 15 millimeter or 15 Torx T15s, should I say, screws. Yep. Boom. And we'll do the other side, and we should be able to, we're not going to remove the whole headliner, but we just need like half of this to kind of go down a little bit so we can get up underneath, so we can get those bolts out that hold the marker lights. That's pretty much it. Other than don't scratch your interior up when you're removing everything, or breaking clips. What? Did it work? These little plastic clips underneath need to be depressed, and it's impossible to do it from the inside, so there we go. I don't care. I'm not using it again anyway, so it doesn't matter. Let me know in the comments, actually, do you guys prefer the amber or the white? It's a good point. What do you prefer?
White's the way, for sure.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Well, with the switchbacks. Because you're getting the white running light, but and the turn signals.
The turn signals.
Yeah.
It's a sequential turn signals, right?
Yep.
Yeah, about that.
Yeah. We have our OE cab light, and this is the boost cab light we're putting on the truck. If you look at the gaskets, this is kind of crazy. OEM doesn't offer a very good gasket. It's barely any padding, and barely is going to seal. You can see like the dirt marks. Unfortunately, poor Josh got some water maybe in his cab from this OEM gasket. The dirt marks come all the way up to the center point. If you look at this, we have a 2-layered gasket. This layer is higher. The first layer is already like 3 times the thickness, and then you have the second layer, and no water's getting in the vehicle. So that makes a huge difference when it comes to preventing cab lights from leaking.
This one probably still works. Just put this one back on the website. It's good. Never mind. I give up.
What are you doing?
I'm just tired of it, man. We're gonna do this right. Alright, this should be better. Anyways, back on the website, guys. $50, $49.99 plus shipping or tax. There we go. Could be yours.
You got any cab lights for sale?
I got the perfect set for you, man. Half of them work.
Oh, well, actually, 2 out of 3.
Yeah, look. Even the circuit board is still kind of there.
Right, with the cab lights here, again, we have a safety label on it. You don't want to use power tools for these. That'll end up warping the hardware. If you want them to seat properly, just tighten them by hand, just with a ratchet and a socket.
Oh.
Hey, what you got there?
I don't know.
That's the wrong tool. Cab lights are on. We got to do the wiring. These are switchback cab lights. But one thing with the wiring, so there's a smart ECU on the trucks that have switchback functionality. And then you have 2 harnesses, but one cool thing is this box here uses data over wire to get the signal up there, so we don't have to run a harness all the way down. That'd take way too much time. We're gonna install this box underneath the dash and the side panel. We'll put the headliner back together.
I'm sorry, I missed all of that. All right, guys, so I'm just tightening the batteries right now. We disconnected the batteries, obviously. And we're done. We're gonna go ahead and turn the lights on right now and show you guys exactly what we're gonna see here. I think with the cab lights, the stripped cab lights, and the Luma steps, the stripped LEDs, it's really gonna tie everything together, as well as these switchbacks right here. So sweet. Turn the sequential lighting on, like look at that. And it gives it that nice side profile look too. Oh, that window's killing the lighting. It's all good though. You guys get the point. Oh, we didn't talk about pricing. How much are those steps, the fixed steps?
The fixed steps aren't bad. So this is fully optioned out, switchback sequential. The only thing that this isn't wired for right now is rock light. So like this exact set retails at like $750. Starts at $500 if you want some of the functions, not all the functions. We have them in amber running light, sequential, non-sequential signal. So this is pretty optioned out, but we have those in anything from $500 all the way up to maximum like $800.
And what about the power steps?
The power steps, so for this one, it's coming soon. We have them for the 19 plus GM trucks. 5th gen Ram 1500s we have them for. 15 plus F-150, 17 plus Super Duty we have them for. And then we're coming out with them for pretty much everything else. So this truck's coming soon. Those start at about $1,500 and go up fully optioned out. It's like $2,000. So okay. Priced pretty competitively.
What about the cab lights on these? How much do those run?
No, that's a good question. They start at $300. So we have them in white and amber running light only. So if you don't want, we did all the switchback wiring, all of that. It's not too much. It's like maybe adds 20% to the install, but we have them in amber running light only, white running light only, and then switchback. So running light only is about $300. Switchback is like I think it's rated around $400, $450. So not too bad of a price jump. If you do the switchbacks, it matches. You got mirror lights and steps. Now they all match.
So total, you're looking less than $2,000 and you got yourself a package.
All in, yeah, for sure. Yeah, the mirror lights are only like $180, $200. So yeah, all in, you're looking maybe like $3,000 tops.
Okay.
$2,500.
That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. And if you do it all from home, obviously you're gonna save a ton of money. As far as the steps go, I would say that was the total install on that wasn't too bad.
No, not too bad. There's two different parts, mounting it and then wiring it. So each, I would say, probably take hour and a half. So like 3 hours can get you knocked out on the set of steps. The cab lights, it depends on the truck. So the older trucks with factory cab lights, it's no big deal. Screws from the top makes it super simple. But this one, they mount from the bottom, so you got to drop the headliner a little bit. So it's a little bit more time consuming. The cab lights, again, couple hours. Mirror lights are super simple though, like 30 minutes. Oh, yeah. 30 minutes to tear it.
Yeah, I noticed. And even with the cab lights, if you get hung up, guys, it could take you as far as 4 hours, maybe 5. It just depends on your skill level and your tools. Because of course you don't want to tackle this without having the correct tools. Especially like, the Torx bits and stuff like that. You want to make sure you have all that stuff. But yeah, I can't wait to see this thing go down the road.
Yeah, it'll be bright at night, that's for sure.
All right, so that'll be it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new running boards, good, bad, or indifferent. I want to hear it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Is it ugly? Is it cool? It's kind of interesting to get your guys' feedback on that. Now, obviously, I've been absent from YouTube for about a week and a half now because I've been working on a pretty cool video for next week, so stay tuned for that. Definitely hit the notification bell. And again, if you guys are interested in the Boost Auto Parts products, check them out. I'll leave that link in the description below. And also, one more thing before you guys head out, if you guys are interested in getting in to enter in for a brand new RDS Turbo of your choice or a $1,000 gift card, all you guys have to do is go on the website. Every $1 spent is one automatic entry. And if you guys want to upgrade your diesel, definitely check us out. But with all of that being said, I'm out. I got a lot going on and I can't wait to post the next one. We'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned.